I have to put it in?
You said you can move it. Figure it out. Put it in the garage. Let's go.
I told you I can.
You can do it. I believe in you.
What if I drop it?
Well, I'll be mad at you.
Well, you're believing in me. Why is it?
All you gotta do is push that bike up into the garage. You can do it.
The steering is stuck.
Oh, why is the steering stuck?
I don't know.
I thought you said you could move it.
I figured I could push it up the driveway, not if it's...
What are you doing?
Isn't that how you shift?
That's the brake, babe.
No, is it really? Oh, this one, right? Is this supposed to move?
No, the motorcycle's not supposed to move.
No, I mean this.
Yeah, that's the shifter.
Do I have to shift it to make it move?
Thought you said you could move it.
Please just tell me that one thing.
Pull in the clutch. It's in gear. The bike's gonna roll as soon as you pull in the clutch.
Is that it?
Yep.
Ooh.
Don't drop it.
I might just hit my car. Why? Seriously, why is the steering stuck? I don't understand.
Have you noticed there's no key in it?